Numerous stars mourn Robert Redford. On the day the Hollywood legend passed away, Leonardo DiCaprio celebrated the premiere of his new film, One Battle After Another, in London. On the red carpet, he spoke words of appreciation for the late Hollywood star.
Very sad news, very sad day. We lost an absolute legend in our industry. I admire him for not only his work as an actor, but as a director with Quiz Show. We have a film tonight that we're premiering that is about, it's a political thriller in a lot of ways, and he was the one that created the foundation for all that with All the President's Men, 3 Days of the Condor. And he was a hero to a lot of people in our industry, including myself, so it's a huge loss.
Thanks so much. We actually
Thank you.
Robert Redford passed away on September 16th at the age of 89. In addition to DiCaprio, Meryl Streep, Stephen King, Jane Fonda, and others have spoken out.